Hello.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Sir, I have a very quick question for you.
Go on.
Would you be able to advise me on what is asylum and or humanitarian protection, please?
Of course. Asylum, refugee leave, or humanitarian protection, these are kind of protection that you can get from the UK if you come from a country where you are a victim of persecution and you're unable to seek protection from your own state for any reason. It's the protection that you get to remain in the UK, and the type of leave and the name of the leave may vary from refugee leave to humanitarian protection, and there are different definitions and conditions of that. The Home Office will grant this protection to such victims who are present inside the UK after examining the situation. You must remember that this protection can only be sought once you are in the UK. You cannot seek this protection when you're outside the UK. Once you're in the UK and based on the reasons for your persecution, and they're coming within the remit of convention reason, the Home Office will decide based on the evidence that you present to them whether or not you qualify to leave to remain in the UK as a refugee. A refugee leave or a humanitarian protection is generally granted for a period of 5 years. At the end of 5 years, of course, depending upon your good character requirement, you will be eligible to apply for indefinite leave to remain, commonly known as permanent residency. The good thing is that if you apply for ILR as a refugee or a person who have been granted humanitarian protection, you do not require to complete the Life in the UK test or the English test that otherwise is compulsory for indefinite leave to remain. It is important to remember the convention reason because it is only within those reasons that this leave can be granted. Our team and I have been successfully assisting asylum seekers from around the world who sadly have been victim of persecution now for almost over 20 years. We are a licensed immigration firm, as you may know. The convention reasons that I mentioned are reasons such as your race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or any other reason which puts you into a particular social group. I recommend that you seek a personal one-to-one meeting with our office, and we will try to examine your situation and advise you whether or not you may be eligible for humanitarian protection or refugee leave. Anything else?
No, sir. Thank you so much for your time and advice.
You're welcome.